What if you had an AI that wasn't just a chatbot, but a real teammate? One that's always on, always available, and built just for you. That's OpenClaw. We've all used tools like ChatGPT. They're powerful, but they're like strangers. You explain everything, get an answer, and then they forget it all. OpenClaw is different. It's a dedicated teammate that remembers your projects and learns your workflow. It runs right on your own computer 24/7. This means no more juggling browser tabs, and it's ready the instant you need it. OpenClaw connects to your digital world. It can read your files, check your calendar, and even help with your email. It understands the context of your work, and you interact with it just by sending a message on Telegram. There's no new app to learn. You can talk to it like a person, and it understands. Because it's always running, it can work for you even when you're not there. It can handle long-running tasks, automate tedious jobs, and monitor systems so you can wake up to completed work. Most importantly, your data stays yours. Since everything runs locally, your private information never leaves your machine. It's complete control and total security. So, are you ready to meet your new AI teammate? To get started and see what's possible, head over to openclaw.ai.